In this lesson, we're going to carry on with the idea of factoring and dividing using synthetic division. So I've got a problem here, divide, see if I can blow this up a little bit. Oop, wrong way. So I'm going to divide x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x minus 9 by x plus 3. And again, I ask you just to trust me for now, and I'm going to make this clear on today's lesson. But if this says plus 3, we're actually going to divide by negative 3. And remember, in our synthetic division box, I'm going to have the coefficient of each term, even the ones that aren't represented. In this case, I start with x cubed, and there's no number there, so it's a 1. Here, for x squared, I put a 2. For x to the first, I put negative 6. And for the constant term, I put negative 9. So within synthetic division, we bring down the first term, we multiply, we add, we multiply, add, and multiply. And what I notice on this one is when I add this time, I get 0. And I like it when I get 0, because that means that this actually goes in evenly. There's no remainder. So what's left is x squared minus x minus 6 and then nothing. So what I've done is I've taken this polynomial and divided it by a binomial, and I'm left with this. If we think about if we had the number 10 and we divided it by 2, we would say 2 goes into 10 5 times. So I would call the number 2 and the number 5 factors of the number 10. So that's exactly what we've gotten here. By using synthetic division and working this down so that this is 0, I've found the two factors that would multiply together to give me this. So now not only are we dividing, but we're seeing that when we divide, we're really finding the factors of this trinomial. I'm sorry, not a trinomial. It's a polynomial because it has 4 terms, but it's a third degree polynomial. And in fact, this one, I believe it would factor even again. I believe it would go x plus 3, and that would factor again to x minus 3, x plus 2. So using synthetic division is a really good way to find the factors of a polynomial. Let's do another one. X cubed minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 6, and we're going to divide by x plus 2. So since I'm going to divide by x plus 2, I know that if this comes out evenly, x plus 2 is going to be one of my factors of this. So let's see here. I'm going to put 1, negative 3, negative 7, and 6. And since this says plus 2, I'm going to put a minus 2 outside the synthetic division box. So I'll bring down the first term, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, and add. And again, this turns out to be 0. That makes me happy, because now I know that because I divided out an x plus 2, what's left is going to be 1 less of a degree polynomial. So this would be 1x squared minus 5x plus 3. So I could say that the factors of this polynomial are x plus 2 and x squared minus 5x plus 3. So synthetic division is another way to factor a polynomial.